Hey kids, how are you all? I am Nancy D'Souza and today I am back with a new concept in numeracy. We will be talking about backward numbers from 10 to 0. So kids, do you all know what does backward counting mean? Backward counting means reverse counting. In normal counting, we start from number 1, while in backward counting, we start from number 10. Let's take an example. Kids, do you remember we used to do exercise in the school after the prayers? Yes, you remember, right? Let's do some exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was the normal counting. Now, reverse counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's understand the concept more clearly. So kids, let's start. The first number in backward counting would be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So let's count once again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's write. So kids, we learned backward numbers orally. Now we learn how to write. We'll start with today's date. That is 2/6.6.20. Leave 2 boxes. Heading capital B, A, C, K, W, A, R, D. Backward, 1 finger space. N capital, U, M, B, E, R, S. Backward numbers, 10 to 0. Now, leave 1 line. Near to the margin line, we have to write T, O, dot, T, O, dot, T, O, dot, T, O. 4 times. Now we'll start writing the backward numbers. The first number goes as 10. So 1 under T and 0 under O. Kids, before 10, what does it come? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, in the same formation as I have written, you all have to write 3 times at home by your own. Do practice writing backward counting at home. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.